Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. First of all, we just want to say thank you to our new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for supporting us in this whole van life that we're doing. Right now I'm on a busy street, and so yeah, you'll hear cars like that going on. But yeah, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna continue the hidden shower build. What we want to do is just put on the second layer of Flex Seal today, and that's about it. And then we're gonna go back to the drawing board to see how we can make it all look like the floor rather than it being the way it is right now. And so yeah, so Victoria just got here with the truck, and yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started with that. And let me show y'all guys. Here's the truck right here. And so yeah guys, let me show y'all what it looks like right now. I haven't seen it, but I think it might look pretty good. All right guys, so this is what the shower drain looks like. Shower pan, sorry. Yeah, it feels like an actual shower. This Flex Seal does amazing things. And so this is only the first coat. We're gonna do another coat of this, and so but I'm also want to work on the trimming part of this so that this can look a lot better. And then we're gonna put tape. I'm gonna put tape right here, some paint tape, so that way we don't get it on the walls. Yeah, and then we're just gonna put down another layer, and that's all we're gonna do today. So check this out guys, that'd be pretty cool. right, guys, so that's it. We just put the second layer of Flex Seal on today. Little word of advice: if you're gonna put Flex Seal, you gotta use. You have to use. Are you facing me? You sure? It looks like you're facing this way.
No, it's on. I can see you. It's facing you. I can see you right here. Go. You're center. Bright? You're bright.
All right, guys. So that's it for us today. What we just did, we just put on the second layer of Flex Seal. Little word of advice is, if you're gonna use Flex Seal, please use the most expensive paintbrush. If you're gonna use paintbrushes, use the most expensive paintbrushes. Reason being is that Flex Seal is hard to separate. It doesn't like to be separated, or it doesn't like to be I don't know.
I think coated more than one.
Yeah, it doesn't like to be moved around. It just likes to clump on there. So if you use a cheap paintbrush like the way we did, you're gonna get hairs on there and it's gonna stay and they're kind of nasty. So we should have just kept it one coat, but the second coat will be good. Whatnot. It's gonna be good on here, so it'll be good. It'll be good. So the next step, what we're gonna do is now I'm gonna make a door for this, and so that way it can lift up when we're using the shower. So we're gonna let this dry overnight again, and then sometime this week, it is Labor Day right now, so sometime this week we'll come back and finish this up. So yeah, guys, see you next time. All right, so since it is Labor Day's weekend, we decided to take a little road trip to a place that, I don't know, if you're from Texas, you'll know what this place is. If not, you might want to watch our next video because this place is pretty cool. But yeah, so check this out. Look, check. If you're from Texas, you know what this place is. If you're not, you may want to watch and stick around for our next video because we're going to do a complete review of this place. And so yeah, this place is crazy big. It has a lot of stuff in it. I'm actually buying this. And so yeah, guys, so that's gonna do it for us today. Thank you for watching our video. I know it was a short one, but we just wanted to keep up with you guys where we're at with the restroom build. But like I said, you may want to stick around for our after this series so that we can do a review on this place. So yeah, guys, we'll see you next time. Later.